How to add device for auto verification on a Google account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the auto sync in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser or your settings. Now tap on Google. Now go to google.com. Now click on search. Tap on a profile at the top right corner. Now tap on show more accounts. Now click on add another account. Now click on add account to device. Now enter your email address and tap on next and sign in into your account. After signing in, go back to the home screen. Again open up your web browser. Tap on the search bar. Now type myaccount.google.com/phone. Now simply enter this link on your web browser and tap on search. Now tap on the profile. Now switch to the account you just signed in. Now scroll down. Now under manage auto verification status, simply enable this toggle. Now click on yes I am in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.